Hey guys, it's me again. Today I'm gonna be walking down to my river, and this right here is my river. It is flooded, as you can see. We're not like really flooded. I remember when it was on this road. Like shoot, like it was amazing. But this is when I didn't have a phone yet. But I do now. Whew. I'm still tired from school. 7th block, it's my gym, and we ran so freaking hard. Well, I did. Other people just started to walk. Holy crap. Never seen that before. Big old friggin' tree. A tree freaking fell. Well, so you can get a closer look. Let me go up here. I am going to be going on my bridge. So you can see it. That bridge right there. Right there, I'm going to be going on. Sorry if my headphones get in the way. I was listening to music earlier when I was coming down here. Then I decided to make a YouTube video for you guys, because I don't want to be boring or anything, not posting any videos. But if y'all want to check out my Instagram, because I will be posting some photos on there. Like a lot of photos. I already have like 125 photos and videos. If y'all want to go check it out, it's BO3 slash Super Psycho Love 12. Oh my god. This is just the river. That's never been there before. Okay, I don't want to make it shaky. What is that? It's mud and everything, but it's never done that before. Oh my god. That's a nice dodge. That is a nice dodge. Okay, I'm trying to hold my my cord, because the music, and also that house right there. That house is actually haunted a little bit. Not that, but not a whole lot, but haunted. Because in the 1970s, that burned down, and and me and my friend investigated it, and there was like 3 stuff floating around. Not a whole lot, but 3 stuff. Oh my god. I am on my bridge right now. I hope I don't fall because it's freaking slippery. That's never did that before. Actually, yeah, it has. Wow, no, it took out the thing me and my friend built. It was a little barricade so the water wouldn't get on shore, but it destroyed it. I don't know how, but it destroyed it. I have to walk on these because it's pretty easy for you to slip on this. Because last time, when I was like right there at the end, I slipped. I didn't hit the ground or anything, but I slipped. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Now we're gonna get a better view. Oh my god. I know my reactions are like really weird, but oh my god. Oh, now my shoes are all thinking and stuff. I'm gonna stick my feet in the water. I don't care. I have to roll up my freaking pants. Man. I'll put one foot in the water. YOLO. Oh, no, not my pants. Oh, get behind there. Oh, that's cold. That is cold. Oh my god. Let me roll up my sleeve. I gotta use my other hand. I'm gonna use this hand. Good luck to everyone. I'm shaking a little bit. Oh, sorry, my finger was in the way. Whoa, that is really cold. Woo! I don't want to jump over it because I know I'm gonna slip. I'm not walking across because every time when I get to the river, I always walk across, but today I'm not. Y'all might know what state I live in. If you don't know, there's a lot of mountains, and no, it's not Tennessee or Virginia. But Virginia's actually pretty close. That's y'all's hint. Virginia is really close. If y'all don't get it till this video hits 20 views or more, or 20 comments or more, or like less, like 10 comments, I will tell y'all, like all the people that commented, I will reply to y'all back that it's whatever state. I'll give y'all a little hint. There's y'all's hint. I just showed you. Now guess. You know what? Just now, if you want to pause the video and go see, like comment down below and see what you think it is. Alright, I'm at the end of it, so I'll have to hold on to this cord because there's... Oh, never mind, I don't have to hold on to the cord. Alright, time to go in that house. Oh Jesus, I should have worn my boots. Shoot. I'm not sort of like a cusser or anything, but I'm really not. Only when I'm off camera, I am. But when I'm on camera, I don't cuss. But when I'm off, I do cuss. Alright. We're entering the house. Oh, shoot. Oh, it won't let me turn on my light. That's stupid. Was my light already on? No, I thought my light was on. Alright. I know it's really dark in here. I have no flashlight. I'm sorry. Next time when I come down here, I will bring a flashlight. Ow! Hit my head off that board. That hurt. Not that much, but it hurt. Oh, I about just slipped. See this piece of glass right here? Yeah, you already know. Wasn't supposed to do that. I gotta escape, like sneak. Because there is someone at that house right there. If y'all want to see the river again, I'm gonna go show it. You can see it a little bit, but I will go show you the river. It is like really messy and also like flooded. There you are. I am gonna go on the bridge again to show y'all. Here you go. Here you go. There's some good cars. But mostly there's a Dodge, a Ford, a Chevrolet, and another Chevy. Alright, let me get back. Alright, y'all. I know why people put the boards in here, because when it gets really slippery. I'll have to use my other hand. Sorry for the cord that's in the way, stupid cord. Alright. I had to put this sleeve back down. So I want to put this one right here in the river. So yeah. Now my hands are all dirty. That's stupid. Oh, freaking cord. I'm just gonna turn it. See if that works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. Shoot. Jesus, windy. Y'all feel that? Y'all don't? It's really windy here, but not that windy. What a plastic cup. Oh, it is. It's a plastic cup. The rain is falling from the heavens. Ah. Actually, fun fact. If y'all don't like fun facts, then I don't know. But fun fact, sorry. The rain actually does come from the heavens. I don't think so. But I'm just stupid, I know. And to y'all might think I'm 14. I mean, yeah, 14 or 15. No, I'm not 14 or 15. I am actually 12 years old, so I know my voice sounds like that. And oh yeah, and shout out to my girlfriend Emma. Love you, babe. Hope you see this video. Ooh, there's smoke coming from the house. There's gonna be a fire. I think there's also a dog over there. Is that dog scared? Is that it right there? Looks like it. Oh, I'm still zoomed. I just gotta point at that house. See that dog? Something smells good. I'm gonna have to sneak because the dog, it will come running at you. I'm gonna have to stay quiet. Alright, good job. Oh, y'all were quiet too. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment what state I'm in. Give you a little glance there. Alright y'all, I'm gonna have to go. And I hope y'all to see you in the next video, okay? Peace, y'all, and have a beautiful day. All right, bye.